Greenheck. Building value in air.
Hi, and welcome to a technical discussion on Greenheck's HVLS controls. Specifically, we're going to talk about the temp and humidity sensors today. I'm going to look at the hardware on those rather than the software. We will have a different video showing how to integrate them into the software of the HVLS controller. If we take a look at the sensor itself, we can see that this sensor post has been removed for this video. That's so we can get up close and personal with the screen. This is the home screen, where we can see that we've got the temp and humidity displayed. On the bottom, we've got a date and time, and sometimes we'll have some alarm codes on there as well. We move up and down using these arrows, and advance or move backwards by using these left and right arrows. Let's begin. We can see here that I've got CO2, temp, humidity, miscellaneous, and pressure menus. We don't have a CO2 sensor, and we don't have a pressure sensor as part of this package, so we don't really need to do anything with menu number 1 or number 5. 2, 3, and 4 we do care about. Inside that temperature menu, we've got the interior, exterior, and then the units. We don't have an interior sensor, but we do have an exterior, so to calibrate that, we can use the up and down, and then press right to save, or if we wanted to leave without saving, we'd press left. If I'd want to change my units, I could do the same thing, and if I'd want to hide that actual display, I could alter that here as well. Inside the humidity, the menu works much the same. We can recalibrate, and if we want to exit without saving, I'll press left, and it's reverted back to that 72. We do not have an interior heater, so there is not a heating option there. Finally, we have our miscellaneous settings. That's going to cover some things like time, as well as a lot of network setup. Beginning at number 1, we have our IP settings. This is not on an IP network, so we don't care about it. It's on a Modbus RTU network. We'll cover those settings in just one more page. Here we've got device ID 30 for the floor, or 31 for the ceiling, our baud rate of 19.2 with no parity, and again our protocol, which is Modbus. If we care about the date, we can change that here, or the time. We could also put on a password, and we can turn on or off those alarm screens that we saw running at the bottom. The Greenheck fan controller doesn't care about the alarm status on these at all. We're pulling that information directly, so I'm going to turn these off. I'll press back to return to the main screen, and here we can see we've got our adjusted, calibrated information. We also can see that those alarm status lines at the bottom have been disabled. If you have any further questions on that, please reach out to us. Our customer support group can help you out.